a lot of fans have been saying like they've never seen you guys together.
Always together.
Yeah, that's how them. Like,
We're always together. What are you talking about? Yeah, we've been together since we got here, of course.
Mukha bang pinagkaisahan pala tayo ni na Antonia at Michelle D? Or baka naman dahil sa conflicting schedules nila, wala na silang time para makapag-picture together o kaya makapag-record ng video, kaya panoorin natin ang kanilang revelasyon.
a lot of fans. Sorry, I have to put it right here. It's like a lot of fans have been saying like they've never seen you guys together.
We're always together.
Yeah, that's how them. Like,
We're always together. What are you talking about? Yeah, we've been together since we got here. Of course, we have been grouped and assigned to different places. That's why we're always passing each other because her activities and my activities are not the same. Yeah.
right? 'Cause, like in different groups.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, you can never get all 88 girls in one tourist destination. Of course, we want to tick off all of the major ones here. So
How do you guys like El Salvador so far?
I love it. I love it. The people are so kind and have welcomed us with open arms.
Exactly.
And it has been such like a crazy experience to see how many pageant fans there are here. And I just love the cultural diversity here as well. And we come from Asia. What I love is that it hits very close to home, from the weather, the beauty of everything that I've been seeing, and of course the food is so good.
Yeah.
So good.
What's your favorite food of El Salvador?
Pupusas. The one with the pork and the beans and the cheese. They had it at breakfast this morning, but I wasn't able to try the hotel. I know. I mean, I tried it as soon as I got here, and I loved it. I know it's kind of like the lumpia. Well, lumpia is a Filipino version of. So that's nice. Oh, show them what you have in your bag. My bag? Yeah. Oh, so earlier in the bus, we were right next to each other, and I was like, I feel like you're the only one that could appreciate. And she goes like this. She covered it with her hand, and she goes, I'm sure you're the only one that can appreciate what's in my hand right now. Why do you look so sneaky? And then I saw this, and I was like, oh my God! So my makeup artist, Dave Kimbao, put it in my makeup bag and put a label in case you need it. Oh, that's I love it. It really helps with like nausea and headaches. I have to give her the Sing Pure Ew, because I haven't given it to all the girls yet because I haven't been able to see and meet all of them in one place. So I will use the rehearsal day to Sing Pure Ew. Yeah,
Michelle, do you want to say something to your fans?
Honestly, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of the support. Maraming salamat. I cannot wait for you all to see what we are working on. Of course, don't forget to vote for your favorite delegates, Thailand, Philippines, and we'll see you soon. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, girl.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yay.
Happened, girl.
A lot of you have been asking, why you two not together?
We haven't been separated.
This means may love, o 'di ba? They are friends. And it shows na mga fans lang talaga ang nagbabardagulan. So it means we should continue promoting kindness campaign. Wala akong nakitang ibang lahi na nagpropromote ng kindness campaign kundi mga tayong mga Pinoy. Kung noon nakilala tayo as rabid fans, dapat ipakita natin na nagbago na ang mga Pinoy by promoting kindness campaign, by promoting discipline, being responsible kung ano yung mga kino-comment natin online. Kaya nga kahit na kapag may nanlalait sa atin or may nilalait na candidates natin, we should not retaliate by rudeness. We should always retaliate through kindness, o 'di ba? In my own interpretation, siguro observation, kung bakit hindi talaga sila magkasama is that conflicting naman talaga yung schedules nila. Pwedeng sabihin ng iba na baka may nag-request na hindi sila pagsamahin o kaya ayaw talaga lang nila magkasama. Siguro, hindi na nila kailangang mag-explain pa, no? May right naman siguro sila na gawin yon if ever dahil wala namang masama, di ba? Kung strategy ang pinag-uusapan since nasa competition sila. And kung i-observe mo bilang isang candidate, talagang hectic ang schedule ng isang candidate sa international competition. So, pwede talaga na ma-reshuffle sila tapos itong isa, iba yung schedule, itong isa, iba yung schedule. Kaya, the only way na nagkikita lang sila is nagkakasalubungan lang doon sa may entrance tsaka exit na nag-greet pero wala na talagang time para mag-record pa ng video o kaya mag-record pa ng pictures o magkuhanan pa ng pictures. Ayan, di ba? Kasi kung iisipin mo, pagod sila, tapos medyo stressed physically, mentally, emotionally. Kaya kailangan din naman natin silang bigyan ng time or panahon para makapag-rest. And syempre, i-attend naman nila yung mga request ng mga fans kapag medyo okay na and may time. Dito naman sa gala, mapapansin mo talaga kay Michelle D na hindi mawawala yung kanyang humility, yung pinaka-approachable na attitude niya, tapos always welcoming siya and entertaining sa mga pageant fans, lalong-lalo na kapag dumadaan sila sa aisle na yan or sa corridor na yan kung saan nagbigay ng Miss Universe ng space para sa mga journalists or kaya yung mga vloggers na mag-record o kaya to have an opportunity na i-interview sila. And ang isa pa dyan is yung dress. Kung napapansin nyo, parang gusto talaga ni Michelle yung mga classic plain na shades, no? Siguro seldom ka lang makakakita ng sparkling. Yung sparkling na or dazzling na mga fabrics na sinusuot niya. So, siguro yun yung isa sa mga part na bet niyang kulay suotin to complement her personality. And malinis lang talagang tignan kapag mga plain na fabrics, plain na design yung mga gusto niyang suotin. And syempre bilang isang alta, alam mo yun, mas malinis talaga tignan yung ganon. Hindi yung nakaka-distract or nakaka-jaw-dropping na eksenadorang mga outfits. By the way, yung coverage ng Day 8 activities ng Miss Universe ay yung first day ng rehearsal. Tapos, walang masyadong activities, no? Kaya, nakapagtulog si Michelle ng 3 hours. So, happy na siya kasi nung previous days pala, mukhang 2 hours or 1 hour lang yung tulog nila, no? Grabe, nakakahaggard talaga. Kaya, no wonder may mga ibang candidates na napaulat na moody, kasi kapag bangag ka talaga, no, iba yung feeling mo. So, ramdam ko sa kanila na parang ako dati na nag-duty ng night shift na hindi nakakatulog, sobrang bangag yung feeling. Anyway, I hope na i-promote natin yung kindness campaign hindi lang sa edition na to ng Miss Universe, no? Mag-concentrate tayo sa pagiging pioneer as a Pinoy pageant fans na ituloy-tuloy natin yung pagiging kindness or pagiging kind sa iba at huwag nang magkalat para maipakita natin na disiplinado na tayong mga pageant fans, okay? Although maraming nega, i-ignore na lang natin or i-block kaysa makipagbardagulan kasi nakaka-stress kapag nakikipag-away ka talaga. So, it's better to ignore or block or even report. Kaya, don't forget to vote for Michelle D sa Voice for Change and then doon sa fan vote. i-download nyo lang yung app, Miss Universe app, sa Play Store and hanapin nyo lang si Michelle D and then mag-vote. Ganun lang ka-easy. And mag-ingat sa mga nakikiride on na scammers. Ito yung mga scammers na bibigyan ka daw ng pera doon sa GCash mo, pero before mo daw i-claim, magbabayad ka daw ng registration fee, OTP fee, verification fee, unlock fee. Na-realize mo pala na ikaw na yung nagbibigay ng pera, hindi sila na nagsabi na bibigyan ka ng pera. Naging baliktad na. Okay, kaya always block, report yung mga ganong scammers. So that's it guys. I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa video and I hope na mapanood nyo pa rin ako kahit na matapos na ang Miss Universe pageant. Okay, so thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Promote positivity.